When I was young, I used to take my younger brother to OT sessions. And when the day came and I had to choose my own path, OT had it all.
I had someone very close to me have to go through occupational therapy services at a very early age. And so experiencing that with her really showed me the wonderful things that occupational therapy can do, not only for the client, but also for the entire family unit.
Originally, I thought I was going to be a nurse, but I started volunteering for Special Olympics, and then I was like, this is it. This is definitely what I want to do.
What's so unique about Rutgers and SHP is the community that it brings and builds. And we are so community focused. We don't only say that, but we also live it.
It's really a collaborative, comprehensive learning experience here at SHP. We offer 4 level 1 rotation for students before they are going into their actual full internship or clinical experience.
They're able to go in, work with clients, write their treatment plans, write their notes, really work on their documentation.
The same faculty who will be teaching them in class theory, assessment, will be the one that's running the clinic.
We don't stay in this traditional box. We really branch out into the community.
They are learning from one another, they are learning together, and they are building skills together.
The support that they have shown and the knowledge that they have given me has only just reinforced my decision to come here.
We have a robust advisement program, one-on-one individual advisement, we have group advisement.
The professors were able to then sit down with me and try different approaches. My professors are no longer my professors really at this point, they're my mentors.
It's not just the knowledge that we give students, it's the how-to. It's the tools, it's skills building, capacity building.
A lot of our graduates are actually the first occupational therapists hired in their setting because they've almost made the job for themselves.
And it's kind of just set me up to be a leader in the future coming out of here.
There is no limit. Like, where can you really take occupational therapy, and really how can you show your community that occupational therapy is a really great field and that everyone can benefit from it.